Have you ever wondered how to make money on TikTok in 2024? It's a question that's been on many minds as this social media platform continues to evolve and grow. Just imagine turning those creative juices into a steady income stream, all while having fun and connecting with a global audience. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, you're in the right place to find out how. Stay tuned as we delve into the different ways to make money on TikTok in 2024. To make money on TikTok, it's crucial to understand the platform's basics. At the heart of TikTok lies the power of the follower count. The larger and more engaged your audience, the greater your potential for monetization. But it's not just about numbers. The quality of your content and its ability to engage and entertain is what truly sets you apart. The more engaging your content, the higher the chance of it going viral. Now, virality on TikTok is a game changer. It's like hitting a gold mine. When your content goes viral, it's not just your follower count that skyrockets. Your potential for earning also shoots up exponentially. But remember, building a large following and creating engaging content is not an overnight process. It requires consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of what your audience wants. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore the different avenues for making money on TikTok. One of the primary ways to earn money on TikTok is through the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, let's dive into how this fund operates. Essentially, it's a pool of money that TikTok has set aside to pay creators for their content. The more views, likes, and shares your videos receive, the more money you can potentially earn from this fund. However, it's not as simple as just uploading a video and waiting for the cash to roll in. There are certain eligibility requirements that need to be met. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Second, you must be located in a region where the TikTok Creator Fund is available. Third, you should have a minimum of 10,000 followers and have received at least 100,000 video views in the past 30 days. These requirements ensure that the fund rewards creators who are committed to building a community on the platform. The amount of money creators can earn from the TikTok Creator Fund varies. It's determined by a combination of factors, including the number of views, the engagement rate, and the region of the viewers. So, the more engaging and popular your content is, the higher your potential earnings. Remember, the TikTok Creator Fund isn't a guaranteed paycheck. It's a bonus for creating content that resonates with the TikTok community. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing your audience. The TikTok Creator Fund is a great way to earn money directly from your content, but it's not the only way. Another lucrative way to make money on TikTok is through brand partnerships and sponsored content. This is a route that many content creators have been able to successfully navigate, and it's certainly an avenue worth exploring. So, what does a brand partnership look like on TikTok? Well, it typically involves a creator partnering with a brand to promote their products or services in a creative and engaging way. This could be through a simple product placement or a more elaborate brand story woven into the creator's content. Now, you might be wondering, how do I secure a brand partnership? The first step is to build a significant following. Brands are more likely to partner with creators who have a large and engaged audience. So, it's crucial to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your followers. Next, it's important to identify brands that align with your content and your audience. Do your research and reach out to brands that you genuinely love and believe your followers would appreciate. Remember, authenticity is key in engaging your audience and maintaining their trust. Once you've identified potential brands, the next step is to pitch your idea. This could involve proposing a creative concept for a TikTok video that features their product, or explaining how a partnership could benefit both parties. It's important to be professional, but also let your unique personality shine through. Now, let's talk money. The amount you can earn from brand partnerships and sponsored content can vary greatly. It depends on factors like your follower count, engagement rate, and the brand's budget. However, with a substantial following and high-quality content, the potential for significant income is there. It's also worth noting that brand partnerships aren't just about the money. They can also provide valuable exposure, helping to grow your audience and establish your brand. Plus, they can lead to long-term relationships with brands, leading to more opportunities down the line. Brand partnerships and sponsored content can be very profitable, but they require a substantial following and high-quality content. So, if you're serious about making money on TikTok, start building your audience and creating content that they'll love. The opportunities are out there, you just need to seize them. Selling merchandise is another popular way for TikTok creators to earn money. It's a fantastic way to monetize your brand and content. You see, when creators develop a strong brand identity, it often translates into a desire amongst their followers for tangible items that reflect that brand. This could be anything from t-shirts and hoodies to stickers, mugs, or even custom artwork. Setting up an online store can be relatively simple. There are platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and others, where you can create your own virtual storefront. Once you've got your merchandise ready, it's all about promoting your products. This could be through your TikTok videos or other social media platforms. Remember, the key here is to create products that resonate with your audience and reflect your brand personality. But don't underestimate the power of merchandise. It's not just about the sales. It's also about deepening your connection with your followers, strengthening your brand, and creating a sense of community. Merchandise sales can add a significant revenue stream, especially for creators with a dedicated fan base. So, how can you make money on TikTok in 2024? Let's put a bow on this. We've learned that there are a multitude of ways to monetize your TikTok presence. First, you can use the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a great way to earn a bit of extra cash for the content you're already creating, provided you meet certain eligibility requirements. Second, brand partnerships and sponsored content can be a major source of income. By collaborating with brands that align with your content and audience, you can make money while also providing value to your followers. Lastly, merchandise sales offer another avenue for profit. By selling products that resonate with your audience, you can transform your TikTok platform into a virtual storefront. In short, TikTok isn't just for fun, it can also be a source of income. With creativity and perseverance, you can turn your TikTok hobby into a lucrative business. Start creating, and the opportunities will follow.